How you doing, Bob?
I'm doing good, Paul. Thank you.
So I am so excited, man. Just got it wrapped. If you guys can see behind, I got my logos. I got everything done on it and all. But what I wanted to do is I wanted just to connect you guys with Bob because everybody's been coming up. We're at the Junk Expo right now from Sonoma Strong. Matt Vick and JoJo Vick put this together. What an amazing event. They got all these top speakers here. But we got my truck parked right in the front, so everybody's been taking pictures and, you know, they've been coming up to me and asking, where do I get this? So, Bob, you want to just give your info and a place where they could get in touch with you by?
Yeah, sure. You can call me by my cell is the best way to get a hold of me, and that number is 510 area code 520-3293, and Paul will give you a business card to post on there so everyone can get a hold of me. Plus, my email address will be on there.
So I just wanted to go around and just show some of the custom stuff that Bob did it's going to make my life so much easier and all. So you want to just go over and tell them size and all that?
Yeah, for this one, we built it as a 10-foot long dump body. So the dump body's 10 feet long, the height on it's 4 feet high, and the width is 8 feet wide. And that gives you approximately about 12 cubic yards, correct?
Yes.
So that's the type of space that we have in your particular build that we did. We also have an electric tarp up top for you. And we also have the lift gate, which is a big feature that we've been pretty much helping people out there. They really want the lift gate versus not having an option behind the truck.
Yeah, so probably what I did is I did everything Sonoma Strong did. I wanted the same exact truck. I was talking with Matt. He was giving me all his recommendations. But I do want to show up close a couple of these things that we had done right here. So look at this toolbox. We did the cage on top, which, you know, that's pretty new and everything. And it's just like tons of room. I always joke with my girl, Nicole, if you get on my nerves, you're going in there. Just kidding, Nicole. She does all my editing, so I'm going to get in trouble for that one. But we got the cage up top. Then we also did right over here for the tools and everything. You put, you know, any kind of broom. Just like he said, he has the electric tarp that we did on top right here, which I go inside the truck. I just press a button. The electric tarp goes over, does its job. Then the other beautiful, beautiful thing right here is this is for the lift gate. The switch right here, just click this switch, and then this huge lift gate comes down right over here. And it just makes my life so much easier. The Monarch trucks, hit up Bob. He is the really easy process and all. Definitely recommend these guys for sure. And then just check out the rest of the wrap. I'm like so proud of this. I just picked it up today before the Junk Expo. But everybody's loving it. Everybody's coming over here and taking pictures. And I even have on here so that when people go by the truck, they could just out, and it gives all my links, my website, and all that great stuff. And let me just show you around on the side. See the beautiful logo. Check it all out and like the channel. Talk to you guys.